Guys, what's up? Over here at the shop again, fixing to get started on this car. I got my piston ordered. It'll be here tomorrow. So today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get the bottom end together, minus that one piston. So I'll have 7 pistons back in the hole. I do have to hone it. I'm going to go ahead and hone it again. Those couple back cylinders had a little bit of surface rust. So we're going to WD-40 that and use the berry hone. And so we'll go ahead and hone all the cylinders. Send us apart, put a nice fresh hone on it. It shouldn't take but a second. Reassemble the bottom end, drop the heads off at Richard's Coates Engine Machine shop yesterday. And so he is going to be working on those next week. I get my valves ordered, and hopefully my plan this weekend, oil pan back on, get the piston back in, and then hopefully Saturday or Sunday drop the motor back in the car, and that'll be the short block. So it'll be back in the car, bolted up, torque converter, transmission, everything ready to go. And as soon as Richard gets done with the heads next week, it should be pretty easy. I'll just be doing a head job at that point. So, slap the heads on it, and then maybe by next weekend have a running vehicle. That's the plan. I hope that works out. There's no racing next weekend for me. I don't remember if there's anything next week or not. If there is, we'll hit it next Saturday. Next Thursday night, we'll be doing our free entry race at Galat. I think we're up to like $1,100 now. Got some awesome sponsors that are kicking in. And, so we appreciate that. The sponsors, they're freaking awesome. I'm going to tag all them in the link in the video and stuff. So they're kicking in money, making it a fun place for the racers. So that'll be next Thursday night. We're going to be doing that race. The following weekend, we'll be at Woodstock, Darlington. We'll be there with Randy's car, probably Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday is King of Rico small tire race. So if my car is running, I will be there with mine in the small tire race. If it's not running, then I probably won't be there. Of course, I mean Randy's we can't turn his down enough to go down there. Their track prep is really good, but it's not quite the level that we need for Randy's car. Randy's car has got to have a really tight track in order for it to go. They got to spray a lot of glue before every pass. So, it just is what it is. The weekend after that, John Doc's got a race. That's mid-October. That's at Galat. Fall something. It's like $100 entry fee, $3,000 purse. So the LS Nasty group, they'll be doing a race there. So we will be participating in that. Hopefully we'll have my car and Randy's car. Maybe even Brian's car will be out by then. Y'all hadn't seen his car yet, his new car that he's doing. Oh, it's bad. You just wait. I'm waiting for it to get a little further along. It's almost done, and then we're going to do a little video on his. It is unbelievable. It's going to be bad to the bone. So little sneak peek coming of that one pretty soon. So that's going to be awesome. Then the weekend after that is the Pro Mod race at Galat. So Pro Mod I got with Dana. Dana is track manager at Galat. And she wanted to bring the small tire stuff. And so we were talking, and, part of the things we've been talking about, we've been doing no time. No time has been, popular for a very long time. A lot of people don't like no time. We like, the class racing. So it's kind of a mixed bag. Some people like no time. Some people are required to run no time just because of the classes they're in. They can't show times for 365 days. But this is a Pro Mod race. The track will be really good, and the clocks will be on. So we're going to do a 28x10 race, and it's going to be clocks on. So, some people won't be able to come. I get it. I hate it, but, everybody, might not fit that rule set to where they want to show their times. Or if they're a grudge racer, I get it. Not everybody wants to show the ET, but there's a lot of people that do. And we want to see if we can get some of the 3-second cars, the low 4-second cars. I'm hoping somebody like Ziff or Bumblebee will come. Jason Tyson said he'll be there. Randy will be there. So we're going to have some fast cars there that are already lighting the boards. And so we're going to light the boards on a 28, and hopefully we can get a 3-second pass. Now, the Pro Mods are fast. They run 360s, 370s. But some of the slower ones are, up there in the 380, 390 range. And so, we want to see if we can get some of the small tire guys, some of the 28-inch tire guys to be in that Pro Mod territory on a 28 275 tire. And I think it's possible. I don't know if anybody's been officially in the threes yet at Galat. So that's what we're kind of hoping for. But it's going to be a free entry race. It's not going to be big money, so we might not be able to get those big racers there, but that's okay too. Clocks will be on. Free entry, $1,000 to win, $500 runner-up, it's $250 for the semifinals. So you can't beat that. Free entry, track will be good. It'll be killer. There'll be a lot of spectators there, a lot of fans. So let's show those guys what we can do on a set of 28x10s. Or 275 bracket radial or, drag radial, whatever you prefer. As long as it's 28 inches tall. The rule set will be the same that we normally run on Thursday night. But the exception is we're going to turn on the clocks. The clocks are coming back on at Galot on a Saturday. So that's going to be awesome. I'm excited. All right, so we're going to get this thing buttoned up. We're going to try to mess with this tonight. There's just a couple cylinders. But they're not bad. This side is pretty good. It's got a little bit of surface rust on them, but it's not terrible at all. All right, so let's home this bad boy out. Okay, so we just done a very quick light hone. That's kind of hard to see, but we got some cross hatchings back just to get the rings, just so there's a nice spot for the rings to seal on. So that is not bad. It's got a couple little marks in it down at the bottom, but all in all, they look good. Bores still look fine. Motor was in great shape. Unfortunately, it dropped that valve and, you know, we got some damage, but it is what it is. So I'm going to clean the silicone off of the deck, and then we're going to slap the pistons in it real fast. So here I am trying to put this motor together, and my phone starts going off, and it's Kelly, and she just saw the video that I did last night with the gasoline and the alcohol and the way it was burning. I know she watches my videos a lot, and I knew she would see it eventually, but I figured it would be a few days. So this is our text conversation, me screwing up and using her bowls. Sorry. Right, so we made some good progress. You can see we're missing the one hole there. This one, it's right here. I still got to take it off. I mean, the rod's fine. Piston is the beat up one, but the motor spins over nice and free. So we got no issues. Got plenty of, everything's back together the way it was. I mean, the bearings look fine. I didn't see any issues with the bearings. So we slapped it back together the way it was. Everything was going along hunky-dory. So we're going to put this thing back together. Like I said, the piston should be here tomorrow. So either tomorrow or Saturday, I'm going to come over here, get the last piston in, get the new piston in it, get the oil pan back on it, and then, you know, Saturday or Sunday, get the short block back in the car. That's the goal. So if I can make that happen, be a very successful weekend, and then, you know, next week hopefully, you know, like I was saying, we're going to be finishing Randy's up. Brian's got a few more things to do to it, and his will be ready. So Randy's will be at Galot Thursday night testing it, and that'll give us a week before the race at Darlington if we have any issues. But hopefully we're not gonna have any issues. But I mean, I'm not pulling any of this stuff off from the front. Love that 60-2 wheel, 58X, whatever it's called. That thing's just bad to the bone. It's very, very easy and very user friendly. All right, I made a little bit of a mess in here. I need to clean up before I get going. All right, if you guys will please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Go fast and get some wind lights. Thanks for watching.